Hey guys and girls, so just editing Camryn's turkey hunting video from last year, her archery bird, and realized I can't find any of the B-roll that we videoed, so all I have is the action. So we'll give you a short rundown, and then we'll cut to the video. So Camryn, tell us how it went.
Well, the day before we went out scouting and we watched a couple different groups of turkeys that had some nice long beards in them, and ended up following one to roost and putting them to bed. And then the next morning we got up for the sun with our caller, Andy, and headed out and got set up, Mason and I, in front of a tree. And then Andy was sitting behind us a little ways, calling in front of a different tree. And sun came up, and probably like 5 minutes later, Andy started calling, and we had birds landing behind us in the trees, a whole bunch of them, and they were all going crazy. And we were sitting up there, and Mason tapped me, and I looked over, and Andy's got a bird dancing around right behind him. You can see him behind the tree that Andy's sitting at on the video. And Mason, our decoys were sitting up in front of us, and Mason gave him a couple clucks, and the video shows it all, but comes right around.
Yeah. Took him a little while to find the decoys, and excuse my calling for all you good turkey callers out there. I'm no good at it, but good enough to get him to look at our decoys anyways, so we'll cut to it and let you watch.